morning mga ka-wanderer! Also, it's Ria with you again. So, ayan, may gala tayo today. And I'll gonna update you kung saan kami gagala. But for now, punta muna ako sa flat ni Ama. Bye! So, hello everyone! So, I got the chance to visit this Century Village, which is look like European daw. So let us see kung talagang totoong European ambience nga ito. So tara guys, samahan nyo ako. At least hindi ako naligaw thanks kay Google Maps. Tara guys, let's go! From here, going to the airport. And ayun siya.
Meeting place.
There's pizza also. So it's just like somehow a village. Pero okay. I've never been in Europe country or any countries in Europe, but however, this is how it looks like. There are a night out here, night bar. Let's see what we can do from here. Small bridge. Diba? Let me show you guys. I'm trying to order here itong mga available dish nila. Unfortunately, parang hindi ako familiar dun sa mga dapat kong orderin. So, I was thinking kung ano kaya ang orderin ko. Let me show you guys. So, it was suggested na may French fries daw sila at meron silang masarap sa Japanese restaurant. Parang hindi ko bet na kumain ng Japanese restaurant at the moment kasi parang gusto kong manood ng live band. Kaso, hanggang 8:30 pa daw. So, let me wait for 8. If I can be able to wait, then we'll see if we can just watch the live band here. Actually, 8:30 daw kasi eh. So, order na lang muna. Siguro gusto ko kasi pizza eh. So, pag-iisipan ko pa kung mag-order ba ako ng pizza. Medyo maaga pala ako dito. Dapat pala medyo gabi na ako pumunta. I'll show you guys around. Influensya ako ng boss, nagpaka-sosyal. O, ayan. Nag-feeling yayamanin ang lola niyo. So, let me finish this one and get back to you guys. Parang ang ganda, no? Hindi ko siya pinansin. Tapos, pumihit ako sa kabilang side. Ang ginawa niya, pumunta siya sa kabilang side. Paano kita i-feel? So, it's done. I got my 2 hours standby here. Okay naman yung food. Masarap. Nabusog ako dahil siguro mag-isa lang ako. At the same time, medyo marami talaga siya. Serve for 2 siya. So, ayun. Enjoy. Have a nice weekend, everyone. Bye. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe. Thank you so much.